Hi. Greetings, my people. This is SK Chomba, the precast panels installer. Today we are on site, a place called Uthiru, that is in Kiambu County. And we are doing this a 3-bedroom bungalow, which we started like a few weeks ago. We have been disrupted because of the rain when we are doing the foundation. But now we are back on it now. We are doing the walling. It's a 3-bedroom bungalow. 2 bedroom are ensuite. 1 bedroom now will be sharing the common toilet. The print area of this bungalow is 138. I think it was 138 because we extended the porch. Now we have done some of the installation of the panels. I think this is the second day, and I think I'll show you as we proceed so that you can be able to see what we have done. Now what we did when we did the foundation was normal, mostly on the along in Kiambu County. The soil is normally not that bad because it is red soil, well compactable, and the load bearing of it's not bad. So we did the normal construction of the of the foundation, which is foundation walls, backfilling, and now doing the slab. And when we are doing the slab, there's this traditional way of, or rather technical way that we normally use when you're doing the slab. We use the channels. So when you're doing the foundation, before we cast the slab, normally what we do, we tend to put the channels along where the walls will be, so that now we can create those trenches, because it is those trenches that the panel it's going to fit on those trenches, just to ensure that there is no movement in between the panel. It is not laid on top of the slab. I think you understand what I mean, because I've shared some videos about it, and we're also going to show you some of the trenches that we have produced on this slab. So guys, it's a bit rainy, but we are here. We are going to to complete this video session so that you can be able to see the progress, and we also show you the final product, how it's going to be. Now we can start with the trenches. So this is the trenches that we always make sure that we do, so that now when the slab is well cured, now the panels will just run along these trenches. So all around where the wall is, that's where now we are going to put. This ensures that there's an incorporation between the wall and the slab, so that we can be able to form something that is called monolithic. Monolithic is a combination of something. Maybe you have one portion and another portion, and you want to join them together. So that's what we've done. So this is what we have done. I think another thing that I needed to introduce, it is the installation of this section of panels. These are not normal panels as the ones that you've been using. We have been able to do an adjustment and also advance in some of these things, because every time we do a research and we see there's a bit of weakness that we need to improve, that's what we do. Now this is called a T-section panel. You can see it is not as big as the ordinary panels that we've been using, but now this one, it is used where there is a combination of 3 walls, because it is a T-section. So on this groove, we can have one wall running around along that groove, and another wall running along this groove, and another one running along this groove. The purpose of having these panels, the T section and the L section. So the T section is used for in a place where you're going to have 3 walls, and an L shape, it is used in a place where you're going to have the 2 wall. Now the purpose of these panels is to ensure that we maintain the strength of the walls, because the strength of the panels, it's based on its connection. Now when they integrate together, when they lock together, that is That is now where the strength of the wall will be, because one panel cannot stand alone, two might be able to stand alone, but 4 or 5 panels, you can have a wall of 5 panels interlocked properly and standing alone without even any support. So for us to introduce this, it's because we needed to ensure that the continuity of the strength, instead of having 2 walls which doesn't interlock at any point. Because what we used to do, we used to lock it at the top using the channel, or maybe the typical beam. But now for this one, especially for the bungalows, now we are able to use this one and ensure that the strength of the wall has a continuity, especially when it comes to interlocking. So one important thing about the panels, they must interlock properly without leaving any gap. And you can see these panels that we have installed, you can see how the interlock is. So one, it depends on the manufacturers. If the manufacturers does a quality work, which they do, and also now the installation, so you can see how interlocked they are. Like now, there is nothing that is holding this. We can remove this channel and still maintain, and it will still stand on its own, because when they interlock, they form a strength. So there is a tensile strength that is formed when they interlock, and that's when now we introduce this these 2 aspects, or these 2 panels, the T and the L. And we shall also be showcasing more the advantages of using the T and L. And also when we do this project now, we shall be able to see the outcome of using the T and L. This project, it's a 3-bedroom bungalow, as I said earlier. 2 bedroom are ensuite, 1 bedroom will be sharing the cloakroom. This is the porch. We are going to do a porch here with 2 pillars that leads you to the lounge. And now once you come to the lounge, there's a lounge, there's a dining hall, and there's a kitchen there. So from the lounge to the dining, it's an open space, and that's how spacious it's going to be, because it doesn't have the walls, the separating walls. So it's going to be just an open space. And also now we are going to have a kitchen here, which is also an open concept. It has a half wall, so that now you can be able to have maybe a breakfast counter or something. So that's how it is. And then now you come to this free area that leads you to the bedrooms. So here we have 1 bedroom that is going to be here, and another bedroom that is going to be here. And now we have a cloakroom, or rather a bathroom. This one is for this toilet. So it's very important to note that this one is for this toilet. So this is going to be an ensuite, because now we are going to lock this place. So we are going to put a wall here, so now you can enter, and then now the wall of this bathroom will be at the center. And then now we have also now a master bedroom. This is a master bedroom, also ensuite, and you can see how spacious it is. The windows large enough to ensure that you have adequate light, and we shall be also be having 2 picture window here. And now this is going to be a bathroom, and this is going to be a closet. So it's sort of a walk-in closet, because we shall be using one entry to get to the closet, and also to get to the bathroom. So that's how it is. And now this now becomes a shared bathroom. This one is a shared bathroom, a toilet and bathroom for the guest, and for those who will be using this room. From there now, I mentioned earlier, this is going to be a kitchen, and the external door, the exit door for the kitchen is going to be here. And you also have a porch. So some of them, some people call it a scuttery. whichever name, but it's going to be a porch. So that's how it is. It's a bit rainy, but we have accomplished what we wanted to do, to showcase this project, and we shall be giving more information, and we shall be releasing some more videos as we progress. Thank you guys.